All right, we are just a few minutes from starting the Colorado Trail. Oh, there we are. There's RDR. Shuttle driver extraordinaire, Gary Sanders.
Hey, hey.
Gonna ride that all the way back to Denver. Day two, we were about 45 minutes into our ride and have pushed our bikes for maybe a mile and a half uphill, total of about 1,200 feet of elevation gain. So really slow progress, but getting ready to get on some rideable trail. Right now, Rob, who is behind me somewhere, is working on his brakes. So first problem of the day is mechanical. Another tough day on the CT. A little bit more mileage in a little less time, but nonetheless still really tough going. Another good day on the trail, and by good I mean that we actually finished and are still alive. We made it to Silverton today, and we were camping up an old dirt road with some really cool old mining facilities in the background. I think you can kind of see them back there. So why are y'all out here again?
I don't even know anymore. Well, you know, it's a good way to take a break from the world. Just to like get back to like the basic things in your life, like to be with friends, to be in nature, We talk a lot about how the 24-hour news cycle can be really hard sometimes, and so it's okay to take a break and to fill your own tanks, you know?
Cool. Y'all agree with that one?
I agree.
I'll think I'll. So one of the things no one emphasizes enough when riding the Colorado Trail is that there's a lot of pushing your bike. Way more than I expected. I think we like to fool ourselves into thinking we're just going to ride most of it. Huh. At about 12,000 feet tonight at Lake Cataract. It's either that lake or that lake over there. Not 100% sure. Either way, it will be chilly tonight up here. Rough day on the trail. I don't know, rough, just long. Lots of pushing over peaks at almost at 13,000 feet. So we're going to tackle it again tomorrow, try to get a little bit earlier start and see what happens. It's about 6:30 in the morning and it is so fucking cold. We are getting an early start today. Actually, it's probably about 5:30 right now. We're going to head out right at 7 so we can knock out this last section and a half before we get off the trail. So cold. Everything's covered in frost this morning. I need a warmer sleeping bag. All right, it is Friday afternoon around 11:15, and a couple hours ago we officially pulled the plug on our CT through bike. We made it to Cataract Lakes, and then as we were rolling out this morning, realized, especially because I'm having some medical issues, that it might be a good idea to go back towards civilization instead of going into a 160-mile stretch where there is no support or easy ways to get off the trail. So headed back to Silverton. Hopefully we can get a room tonight and eat some food off of plates. And yeah, tally-ho. All right, there it is. If you're wondering what a failure of a Durango to Denver bikepacking trip looks like, that was it. 5 days in, I pulled the plug, realizing that I had not recovered near as far as I thought I had from my radiation treatments for my neck and throat cancer. Easy to chalk that up as a failure or a loss, but definitely I took away some wins from that. Got to spend time with a good friend on the trail. Got to learn a lot about myself. Got to learn a lot about my gear and what I will and will not carry the next time I'm out bikepacking. And that's one of the things I love about bikepacking. It's a continuous learning process, whether it's learning and figuring out what the best gear is, how to go lighter, how to go faster. But you also learn a lot about yourself. And for me, just the big learn there was to listen to my body and realize that I am not at that point in my cancer journey where I need to push myself beyond what I'm physically capable of at this time. So
More to come, definitely more videos. Appreciate you watching. Love you for it if you gave me a like or a thumbs up. Also, your comments are also always welcome. This is Jay with Bikes Kill Cancer, and we'll see you on the trail. And remember, keep the rubber side down.